In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to properly apply vendor credits is crucial for keeping your accounting accurate and up to date. So let's dive in. First, you want to navigate to the Expenses section. To do this, look over at the left panel on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. You should see a variety of menu options there, but we're interested in expenses. Clicking on this will take you to a comprehensive view of all your recent financial outgoings. This section is pivotal because it keeps track of where your money is going, who you're paying, and on what terms. Once you're in the Expenses area, direct your attention to the Bills tab. The Bills tab compiles all your outstanding bills in one place, making it easier to manage what you owe and to whom. It's organized in such a way that you can quickly identify which bills have vendor credits that can be applied. This organization is particularly handy for ensuring you're not unnecessarily paying more than you need to. Now, locate the specific bill on which you have vendor credits to apply. Nearby each bill, you'll find an option that says Mark as Paid. Go ahead and click on this. This action will take you to the bill payment page. This page serves as a comprehensive interface where you can adjust various aspects of your bill payment. It's here that you'll be applying your vendor credit. On the bill payment page, take a moment to review the details and ensure everything aligns with your records. You have the opportunity to apply your available vendor credits to the bill in question. Look for the specific vendor credit you want to apply. The software should provide you an option to select it. This functionality is designed to help you reduce the total amount you owe on a bill. Applying vendor credits efficiently can significantly decrease the cash outflow, which is a great benefit for maintaining healthy cash flow in your business. Once you've selected the vendor credit, you'll want to finalize the action by clicking Save and Close. By doing this, you're not only updating your records, but also ensuring that your payments reflect the use of vendor credits. The Save and Close feature is essential because it confirms your changes and updates your accounting books instantly, helping to prevent any discrepancies in your financial data. And that's all there is to it. Applying vendor credits in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to do. Remember, keeping your payments accurate and using your credits where applicable can save you a significant amount of resources over time. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.